Hi, I'm Brian McCarthy. I'm the CEO of Clench Relief. Congratulations. You have just received your Clench Relief Pro RX mouthpiece. It's a prescription product only sold through a dentist. Today, I'm going to show you how to fabricate the device. And the first thing you want to do is brush your teeth. Brush your teeth and wash your mouth out with water. The next thing you want to do is lay out everything that came in the box, right? So you've got one set of the fit material, right? So you should have one yellow and one white, and then the alignment guide, what we call the interior alignment guide, and then the frame. I should point out, we send 2 sets of putty with every order because there is the risk of making a mistake, and so you can discard the old material and start over with the new material. And of course, if you're right the first time, then you've got a second set of material that you can use perhaps down the line. It's very important that you have a stopwatch with you, and we suggest just using the standard stopwatch that's on the mobile phone because the fit material will start to harden after about 60 seconds. So you've got 20, 30, 40 seconds to prepare it before putting it into the frame. So let's get started. So you've got everything laid out that you're going to use. You got the knife ready. You got a timer because it's really important that when you're mixing the putty or the fit material, that you complete that process within the first 60 seconds because it starts to harden. Okay, you've got one yellow and one white fit material that you'll mix together. And then you've got the frame and you got the alignment guide. Very important that the frame and the alignment guide are both right side up. You'll know they are because you'll be able to read the words Clench Relief. That means it's right side up, and the number 2 on the frame. Excuse me, the alignment guide. Next, you take the alignment guide and you snap it into place, into the center of the frame. You'll snap it in and you'll hear it click, or you'll at least feel it click. And you want to make sure that the vertical line in the alignment guide is right between the words clench and relief on the frame. When you've done that, you put it into your mouth just as a test drive to see what it feels like. Take it out, maybe again. Extremely important that when you put it in, that your jaw is centered to your nose and the center of your face. Your relief from jaw pain will be greatest when your jaw is perfectly centered. This is part of the problem of TMJ patients, and this is part of the solution. Okay, now that your frame is ready and you have the alignment guide in place, next you put on the gloves. It's extremely important that you're wearing gloves when you start touching the fit material because the natural oils in your hands can disrupt the quality of the mixing and the material might not mix properly. Okay, so you take the yellow and the white and then you start your timer. You have about 20 to 30 seconds to mix. So you're kneading it. You're mixing the putty in such a way that the white disappears. You should have a uniform yellow color. You'll know that it's completely mixed when you see no white. You can also check your timer. If you're doing it like I am, it should take about 20, 25, it's 25 seconds. Next, do a slight roll. So you're making a roll that you're going to pinch in 2. And then you're going to take, again, extremely important that you put this into the bottom of the frame. And you add the putty into the bottom of the frame. Like so. Now, it's been about a minute. I'm going to put it in my mouth and I'm going to wait 3 minutes while it hardens. Okay, now you take the fabricated mouthpiece, let it sit for a few more minutes. Okay, you've waited 10 minutes. and you now have a fabricated Clench Relief Pro RX mouthpiece. First thing you want to do is to remove the alignment guide. Just unsnap the alignment guide and put it in a safe place. You want to keep this because it might be at some point in the future you want to replace the putty and you want to use the alignment guide again. Also, this is completely optional, but some people find that the excess material that's above the frame can just bother them a little bit when it's in their mouth, so you can trim it. You can use a sharp knife like I mentioned earlier, or a scissors, and you're just cutting the excess material that's above the frame. Make sure you don't cut the frame. And there you have it. Congratulations, you have a custom fit Clench Relief Pro RX mouthpiece. This will reduce your TMJ pain, your headaches, your neck pain, clicking, and locking of your jaw. Good luck. Thank you.